Now, let me ask you, do you want to take your MIS knowledge beyond just watching and actually get hands-on experience? Do you want me to personally guide you step by step in performing MIS procedures at my private intensive cadaver lab workshop? Here's what's going to happen. Day 1, foundation and strategy. We start at 1 p.m. with high-impact didactic lectures and panel discussion on MIS techniques. Then you'll get an exclusive behind-the-scenes tour of my office-based surgery suite. See exactly how it's set up, take photos and videos if you need, and understand how to structure your own MIS workflow for maximum efficiency. We'll wrap up at 5 p.m., followed by a private dinner. An exclusive opportunity to network, ask questions, and discuss strategies in a relaxed setting. Day 2, hands-on cadaver lab. We kick off at 8 a.m. and go until 3 p.m. You will receive your own cadaver lab specimen, no sharing, so you get 100% hands-on experience with every step. We'll go through soft tissue procedures, hammertoes, lesser mats, bunions, and rearfoot MIS techniques, all under my direct guidance. This isn't just theory, this is about building real surgical confidence. Here's why this lab is different. Every MIS technique I teach is backed by published medical studies and shown to be as effective as traditional open surgery. We are a CPME-approved provider, and this private cadaver lab event qualifies for 10 credit hours. Over the past 9 years, I've personally trained over 350 podiatrists in 36 private cadaver labs I hosted, and helped over 1,000 podiatrists through my international MIFAS cadaver lab conferences. Below this video, you will find all the details and a special opportunity to lock in your seat. This is a private lab and spots are extremely limited. So if you're ready to learn and implement MIS the right way, the safest way, the most efficient way, and the most profitable way, this is your chance. Check out the details below and secure your seat today. I look forward to seeing you in the lab.